Dead.
Take frequent breaks indoors, and do not underestimate the task at hand when shoveling. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibility is unlikely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get sick, stay with your vehicle.
Following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Henderson County, Illinois.
Wednesday morning for north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. The lakeshore flooding will be from this evening to Wednesday afternoon. This will be for Lake County, Illinois, and Cook County, Illinois. The blizzard conditions will develop this afternoon and continue through Wednesday morning. Now here is the hazardous weather discussion. Thunderstorms are possible with very heavy snowfall and lightning. Snowfall rates could be greater than 2 inches per hour. Travel will be very dangerous. Blizzard conditions are expected with a wind speed greater than 35 miles per hour. Time Wednesday. For tonight, windy. Snow and a chance of thunderstorms. Flowing snow with visibility 1/4 mile or less at times. Snow may be heavy at times. Snow accumulation of 8 to 11 inches. Lows 11 to 15. Wind chills as low 0 to 10 below 0. North winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour at times. Chance of precipitation 100%. For Wednesday, windy, cloudy, flowing snow with visibility 1/4 mile or less at times until late afternoon. Snow in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Total.
Guess I'm not getting my coffee or my chocolate chip cookies. I can't believe they closed. It's just a blizzard. Whatever.
Winds and poor visibilities of 1/4 mile or less are occurring limits.